facing each other. Women on the outside, men on the inside. Unless you're Kenny, then you can be the woman. And women start on their right, men start on their left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, behind, side, cross. Sway, sway. We're facing opposite line of direction. You should be women on your right, men on your left. You're going to turn to the outside in 2 steps. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. Outside foot is free. We're going to do a Yemenite to the side and then a Yemenite to the back. Yemenite side, Yemenite back. We're going to sway away. Women's going to go under in a cha-cha-cha turn. Women should be on the inside with their right foot, men on the outside with your left foot. We're going to do the same thing from the beginning, facing this way. Yeah? So let's try it facing this way. 5, 6, 7, step behind 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, turn, 2, cha-cha, Yemenite out, Yemenite back. Now slow. Sway, sway, cha-cha-cha. Okay? Let's do both outside and inside. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, behind, side, cross. Yemenite, turn. 2, cha-cha, Yemenite out. And back, sway away. 2, cha-cha-cha. Step, behind, side, cross. And a turn. 2, cha-cha-cha. Yemenite. Now slow sway. Slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. You're facing your partner again. We do. Step behind. Women turn to the left. It's the same footwork. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Salsa to the woman, salsa to the man. From here, we're going to go step together, step, 2 on the line, okay? Step together, step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6, whole second part. 1, a 1, 2, 1, a 1, 2. Salsa and salsa. Cha, cha, cha. Just keep going. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's like a Yemenite there at the end. To finish out the second part, we're going to pass it with the salsa rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Open and close and down and up. 7, 8. Step behind. Turn. 1, 2. Salsa and cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, 3. Behind and turn. 1, 2, 3. Yemenite. Change places. 1, 2, 3. Pull back. Open and close and down and up. Women, you have your right foot free. Men, you have your left foot free. We're going to do 2 cha-chas into the center. Cha, 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 cha. Rock, men, turn, cha, cha, cha. Women, you should be on your right foot still. Men, you should still be on your left foot. We're going to do another rock forward. Women, it's going to be more like a pivot for us. Okay? We're going to face the inside. So, 1, 2, 3. Women, you're turning over your left shoulder, so think of it more as a pivot. We're taking a cha-cha into the center with our hands wrapped. 5, 6, into the center. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Rock, men face out. Cha-cha-cha. Rock, women in. Cha-cha-cha. Here's what we're going to do. We're still doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Rock and face out. Women, you should be holding right hand with man's left hand. You're going to turn to the left while the man pulls you to the left. You're going to end up doing a full turn to face the outside. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So women, you're going to feel like you want to turn to the right, but you're going to end up turning to your left. 7. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha. Man faces out. Cha, cha, cha. Women faces in. Cha, cha, cha. Rock and hold. Turn left, 2, 3. Women, everybody's facing out. Women's in front of the man. Women right foot, men left foot. Wrap. Again. You're going to do Yemenite right, Yemenite left. Man is opposite. We do Yemenite right, Yemenite left. You're going to open the woman. She's turning to the right. And this is still all 1, 2, 3s. So what you're going to end up is facing out. You're holding on, women left hand, men right hand. So check this out from the Yemenite. Yemenite, Yemenite, turn, open, and face each other. Women, left foot's free, men, your right foot's free. You're going to Yemenite back and pivot. Back Yemenite. Man, pick up your right hand. Women, you're going to cha-cha around him. 1, 2, 3. Yemenite. Yemenite. Open and close. Yema, pivot. Pull back. 2, 3. Walk around the man. You should be now where you start the dance. 5, 6. Cha-cha in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rock, man face out. 1, 2, 3. Rock, women face in. 1, 2, 3. Cross and hold. Turn left. 2, 3. 2 cha-chas out. 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Yemenite. Yema, open. 1, 2, 3. Pull back to pivot. Yemenite. Walk around. The second time through the dance, we're going to repeat the chorus. So instead of the woman walking all the way around the man after we're here, back Yemenite, back Yemenite, the woman goes under just to face to go back to the chorus. So let's do the chorus twice, like this is the second time through the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Man faces out. 1, 2, 3. Everyone in. 1, 2, 3. Cross and hold. Turn to the left. Cha-cha out. Yemenite. Let go. Open. 1, 2, 3. Back to pivot. Back. Yemenite. Turn the woman to the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Men faces out. 1, 2, 3. Everyone in. 1, 2, 3. Cross and hold. Turn 2, 3. Cha-chas out. 2, 2, 3. Yemenite. Yemenite open. 1, 2 face. Back. Yema pivot. 1. Now this part, this is it. We go around like we normally do. Okay? The very last time we do it from the beginning. The second part, we're just going to take out the cha-cha and we're going to go straight to the paso doble. Pull back, open, and finish.